Hey, this is Tony Ross for TonyTeach.com, and got a quick question for you. Have you been putting off learning Adobe After Effects? Well, can you spare about 4 hours and let's say 99 bucks next Saturday? Catch me online, I can help you out. We are running our very first Adobe After Effects mini class. And this is actually based on a 3 day course that I regularly teach, and it's usually about over $1,000. But this little mini course is going to be specially designed for beginners. So we're going to be using several project-based lessons, and you'll learn the basics of Adobe After Effects. So you can learn how to add simple and impactful motion graphics and effects to your projects and workflow. Now, I've been teaching digital art and animation for over 20 years, and my specialty is teaching beginners how to learn complex software that has a high learning curve and making it simple to understand and easy to do. If that sounds like you, come and check out our class, and I hope to see you there. Just a few things we'll be going over in this little mini class. We'll be doing basic video and motion graphics production, how you can create and animate shape layers, how you can animate Photoshop and Illustrator files. We'll be creating a handwriting effect, how to composite video and images. You also learn how to edit video in After Effects and how to mask out shapes, video, and even type. Now, after this class, you'll be able to work with After Effects to create simple motion graphics animations, as well as add color and atmosphere tricks to your own videos, and how to customize your videos and settings for multiple social media platforms. So again, this has been Tony Ross for TonyTeach.com. Check out our link in the description, and seats are limited, so act quick. Have a good one.